I'm so excited. I'm in Girl Talk. So this is the common room, the sixth form common room, and we film quite a lot in here actually. And like we've got like, there's people just think that it's like just all thrown together, but this room is like so complex. Like there's just so much stuff in here. Like this parrot has made it into every single scene in this room, honestly. And we have all these magazines as well, because we're not allowed to like have like OK magazine on the thing. So we use the magazines and we cover it like with like a 4 o'clock club magazine. We've got Girl Talk. We'll leave that on the side, maybe it'll get shot. And then look at me, that's it. Yeah.
Who writes these lessons up on the board?
The props department.
Not doing it.
Yeah, they do the whole thing, and sometimes they're like, well, they're always real sort of things. So you come in and you learn new facts. Yeah, it's really cool.
Girl Talk was my childhood.
That's what
I am so excited.
We did get excited.
I was like, I'm in Girl Talk.
Are these real?
Yeah, all real books. I don't know where they get them. Do they get them from all schools?
I think that they were left in the school when the school got abandoned.
Stuff, yeah.
Hello! We're moving sets. Girl Talk team. I'm so excited. I'm in Girl Talk.
Where are we now?
We're just walking through the main corridor area. This is where the art exhibition was when we did the art exhibition episode.
Textile.
But there's some like big, this makes it look like it's bright outside, but it's not. It's raining because we live in England. Fake sandwiches. The sandwiches are fake, guys.
So, Evan does not actually end up in the police station somehow because of who he is. But anyway, if he did end up in here, obviously he would find himself in here being completely interrogated, hardcore style, being monitored, and all his personal information being wrote down about how he's a delinquent, all that.
Who has the most scenes in the police station?
I mean, it's probably PC Rowe because she's a police officer, but in the past everyone's been arrested. Everyone, like mainly the teachers. So they're worse than the students, really.
Wait, that's it. Get really into it. We just got a sixth form at at Elmsmere. So the sixth form is all very new. There's lots of information about it, and also this pencil case I want to take home because it's lovely and really nice.
Hello.
No, that's all right. Yeah. Let's get a shot of you two together. That's all right.
Welcome to my office.
Picture of himself on the desk.
Oh, he does. You know, I don't want to say he loves himself, but he definitely likes himself quite a lot, so.
Looks quite hungry.
Yeah. This is the character Mr. Bell played by Simon. It's his character's book, and you know, he tries to be the best head teacher, but I think the character knows in his heart that he's not the best when it comes to making the right decisions for the school, disciplining them in the right way. However, he created and wrote this book on how to be a super head teacher. Here is where Mr. Bell hangs up his stuff during the day. These are all his books, and then you've got his tea and his coffee. Here you have a picture of his son, who is also a student at school. You have some shoes. I'm not going to smell them. It's a fun fact. This was a real school. And then it wasn't, it was abandoned, and now it's a 4 o'clock club. So it is a real school set. And people did, in fact, learn here, but it's not a working school at the moment because obviously we are here.
This is the music room, which is where Danny, who's a teacher, like always has his lessons. And yeah, so this is it.
Ooh.
Right, I made myself a promise that I'd try and learn the ukulele this summer, but I can only do a little bit of it. This is a really cool escape ball. It's quite authentic, like pretty cool. This is a nice sofa that people like to sit on. Look. Oh look, it's a Girl Talk magazine. Ooh.